Meaning of Lorna Doone.
Lorna Doone.
Lorna Doone.
Lorna Doone.
Lorna Doone. Lorna Doone is the title of a historical novel written by R.D. Blackmore, first published in 1869. The story is set in 17th-century England and revolves around the romance between a farmer's son named John Ridd and Lorna Doone, a beautiful girl from a family of outlaws known as the Doones. The novel is considered a classic of English literature and has been adapted into various films, television series, and stage plays. The term Lorna Doone has come to be associated with romantic love and the idea of an unconventional, difficult relationship.